So we have the AGT LRT23 gas operated mini skid steer. Has a 44 bucket with universal Dingo style Toro plate. There you see the tracks. Here's the engine compartment. That was the hydraulic pump. This is for the attachments. You've got a plate which goes up and down. This is for storage. Machine. Gas, temperature, hours. You got a horn and a light. Power outlet, 12 volts, kind of nice. You can power up your phone. It's got some cool halogen lights. The LRT23, it's got more horsepower than the 14s. Great little machine. Just a quick cool notice on this Kubota machine. It's Italian made, 21 LTD. Super cool. Anyways, that's a different video. Got some other machines here. Always lots of attachments, both for mini skid steer and skid steer excavators. There's a QNT30, KQ18KC. Let's start this baby up.